Compound USDT Overview. Support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Trading style. Spot trading. Target time frame. Approximately 1 month between take-profit targets. Entry levels. $73 to $83. Take-profit targets. Target 1. $119.32. Target 2. $134.71. Target 3. $150.80. Target 4. $170.92. Target 5. $195.77. Stop loss. $43.58. Trading success tips. Look carefully for opportunities. Don't rush your trades. Use simple technical analysis tools like trend lines, price channels, and support and resistance levels. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, consider trailing your stop loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price to lock in profits and limit potential losses if the market reverses. Entry note. Aim to enter your trade after a price pullback for a better entry point. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before making any trades. Best of luck in your trading.